morning, guys! Welcome back to Arvin and Isa official channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, ha? Anyway, ngayong umaga, papunta tayo sa Young. So, it's, how many hours yun, babe?
2 hours drive.
Almost mga 2 hours drive from Canberra. Yung Young is a regional town in New South Wales, and it's tagged as the cherry capital of Australia. So, yun yung reason natin bakit tayo pupunta doon. Kasi season na ngayon ng cherry harvesting sa Young. So, gusto natin i-try. First time namin mag-cherry picking ni Arvin. So, sobrang excited ako. Parang isang buwan mahigit ata namin itong pinagplanuhan. Tapos, ang kulit-kulit ko kay Arvin, paulit-ulit ako nagsasabi na gaano ako ka-excited. So, kahapon, bumili siya ng mga gamit namin. Hindi naman marami. Ano yung mga binili mo, babe?
Binili ko lang is gloves, garden gloves.
So, yun. Para din, natin, to serve as protective, what do you call that? Parang
sugatan.
Yeah, oo. Kasi we don't know. First time nga namin, diba? So, hindi namin alam. And so far from the weather, medyo may showers ata ngayong umaga and sa hapon. But, we will still push through regardless kung ano yung weather natin today. Because matagal lang namin itong inaantay. And also, tinext din namin yung mga friends namin doon. Imagine yun, meron na kami instant friends sa Young. So, doon tayo magla-lunch, and we also wanted to share with you yung aming mga ibang plans pa natin sa mga susunod na vlog. Okay? Sige, dito muna. Bye-bye! Before anything else, we made a quick stop to gas up. By the way, dito sa Australia, self-service ang mga gasoline stations, hindi tulad sa Philippines na may staff to assist you. So, kailangan mo talagang bumaba. Ikaw mismo ang mag-refill, tapos once the tank is full, you just need to go inside to pay. So far, ang price is reasonable, pero syempre, hindi rin naman siya cheap. Alam nyo na, Australia life. So after filling up, we checked our maps again para sure na smooth and relaxing ang travel namin. Our destination for today is Ballina Clash, one of the most popular cherry picking places in Young, New South Wales. So guys, after almost 2 hours ng biyahe from Canberra, finally, nandito na po tayo. Ballina Clash is so easy to find. If you're coming from Canberra, it's just along the highway and makikita nyo siya on the right-hand side. Grabe, sobrang excited na kami to go in. And alam nyo ba, papunta rito, ang ganda ng view, very calming, very countryside vibes.
Hello.
Good to meet you.
Cherry picking? Yeah. Okay, no worries. I'll just get you to come around here. So yeah, just go around.
6 kilos in the bucket. That's a bit of a guide. Yeah. How many would you like?
Just do
Yeah. Yep.
2 buckets is fine for now.
So there's 2 buckets there. And so you've already paid your entrance fee when you booked. Where we're picking today is in the corner just here where these 2 gentlemen are going now. Up the road, about a 5-minute walk. It's a private road, so there won't be any traffic. On your right-hand side, there's 2 big red flags. You won't miss them. They say cherries, and that's where the cherries are. They're quite tall, big flags. Yeah. Yep. And then when you're finished, you come back down here and we'll wait on the lead, pay for what you pick, and we'll put in boxes for you. Yeah.
Alright,
yep.
sure.
Alright, thank you.
Guys, meron tayong 2 buckets. We'll see if mapuno natin siya.
So,
Otherwise, pwede
so
daw-
one bucket is 6 kilos.
Mhm.
So we don't know the price after that kapag natapos tayo mag-picking.
May mga langaw lang. Wala naman daw limit. So,
Yeah.
we'll see. Medyo
Yung-
mainit ang panahon ngayon. Tsaka
Which is
maraming langaw.
this is a good weather today because sabi doon sa weather forecast uulan po. Pero good thing it's maganda yung ating cherry picking for today.
Okay guys, andito na tayo sa designated cherry picking area. Nakaka-excite. Pero grabe, ang lakas ng hangin at ang init sobra. As in literal na hair flip every 2 seconds. Pero okay lang, part talaga to ng experience, diba? Grabe guys, tingnan nyo yung mga cherry trees, oh. Tingnan nyo yung mga bunga, grabe, pulang-pula. Nako, kumukuha nga ako, tinitikman ko kaagad. At ang lawak-lawak ng cherry farm na to, ha? So guys, pag nagpick pala kayo ng cherries, pipiliin nyo lang yung area na allowed lang ng may-ari. Hindi kayo basta-basta kukuha na lang kung saan-saan. Hanapin nyo yung merong flags kasi dun lang talaga allowed. At saka huwag nyong hihilain yung mga main branches kasi ma-affect daw yung future harvest nila kapag nasira yung puno. So yun lang, you just need to be very careful ha. Guys, tingnan nyo to, yung 2 buckets ng cherries na pinitas namin ni Arvin. Sobrang proud ako sa amin kasi we really worked hard for this. Malakas kasi ang cravings namin, kaya yan, todo pitas talaga kami kanina. Alright guys, tapos na kami mag-cherry pick and we're now walking back to the shed. Ang bigat na ng mga buckets namin pero worth it. Naku! Yung simple teamwork namin ni Arvin, like walking under the sun, picking 1 by 1, helping each other fill the buckets, nakaka-happy talaga. Small thing lang siya for others, pero para sa amin, it's a sweet little achievement. Parang may bonding moment pa kaming mag-asawa. So after mo mapuno yung buckets mo, pila lang kayo sa line and the staff will weigh them for you. Super dali lang ng process, bigay mo lang yung bucket, they check the weight and then babayad ka na after. Napansin pala namin, ang daming pumunta that day, as in punong-puno yung place. And may mga walk-ins na hindi na na-accommodate kasi fully booked na. Kaya if you're planning to come here, make sure to book online beforehand para sure na may slot kayo. Sayang naman kung di kayo makapasok, lalo na magpipick season na ngayon. Hi guys! Katatapos lang namin mag-cherry picking. Medyo nakakapagod.
Nakakapagod siya.
Mainit
sobrang
talaga.
init ngayon. Pero good thing na
Maganda yung weather.
maganda yung weather kasi sa forecast isang storm ang dadating. Pero it's good.
Dapat nga may move pa natin yung schedule natin. Pero we didn't have to kasi praise God. God gave us a perfect weather to do this cherry picking activity. This is our first time, kaya talagang nakakatuwa lang siya gawin.
Dapat talaga may dala kayong tubig na malamig para
Tsaka yung mga
makapag-rehydrate.
sunscreen,
Sunscreen.
protective,
Siguro
even eyewear.
Mag long sleeves kayo in case and sunscreen.
Kasi medyo, hindi na siya medyo, talagang windy siya kanina, kaya parang there's no point of using the cap or hats kasi pwede siyang liparin. Malakas talaga yung hangin kasi it's an open area eh.
Medyo limited lang yung ating pag-fly ng drone kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin.
Baka madala yung drone. Pero it's really a fun activity for families, lalo na kung meron kayong mga young kids, even yung mga feeling young at heart. You can definitely do this. Therapeutic din siya, no? Nakaka-relax siya gawin. Pagpapawisan ka, tapos dapat yung patience mo mahaba, and you need to be gentle din sa puno.
Yes.
Diba?
And ang binayaran din namin for 12 kilos, yung isang bucket kasi 6, so dalawang bucket kami, is nasa 121 for 12 kilos. So, it's good.
Pinaghirapan natin.
It's a good ano na rin, it's a good pay kasi
just
kung
to help
bibilin
din naman. Just
kung
to help
bibilin
din naman.
kung bibilin mo siya sa Woolies or sa
Mahal
store,
siya,
mahal.
mahal siya.
Siguro sa $20 per kilo.
Or more. It could be
Yeah, more. Could be more.
So, yun. Ngayon naman, pupunta tayo sa weekend market ng Young. Usually, ano daw first
meron.
Saturday and third Saturday. And today is the third Saturday of the month. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung makikita natin. We were just at Jameson Market last weekend. So, we just wanna know kung ano yung meron sila dito. Probably baka may mga, baka pwedeng similar lang din, no? Yun. And magla-lunch tayo later kasi medyo nakakagutom na. Anyway, see you later.
Bye.
So after po namin mamitas ng mga cherries, nagutom po talaga kami. So we decided to stop for lunch at Chowking. O diba, parang nasa Pinas lang. Arvin was craving for Asian food, kaya perfect talaga yung spot. Chowking here is actually owned by a Filipino, si Ate Vanessa. Hi Ate Vanessa, if you're watching this, thank you sa masarap na food. Hindi na namin na vlog kasi nga nag-enjoy kami sa kwentuhan at kainan. Dahil napasarap kami sa kain, hindi na tuloy namin naabutan yung weekend market. Pero it's alright. We decided na mag-shopping muna sa favorite naming ukay-ukay place, ang Vinnie's. By the way guys, yung Vinnie's is an op shop here in Australia run by the St. Vincent de Paul Society. Dito, makakahanap ka ng murang pre-loved items. And the best part, nakakatulong ka sa charity every time you shop. Grabe guys, ang laki ng Vinnie's dito, kaya gustong-gusto talaga namin ni Arvin pumunta dito kasi nakakahanap kami ng mga murang items na very useful pa. Like ito, tingnan nyo to, Ralph Lauren na polo shirt. Grabe, ang saya makakita ng ganitong brand sa ukay, di ba? Tapos ayan, may Christmas items na rin pala. Nakakatuwa talaga, very festive na yung vibe kahit nasa op shop ka lang. Sobrang saya mag-shop sa ukay dito sa Australia. Pero honestly, hindi na to bago para sa amin kasi ever since sa Pilipinas pa, paborito na talaga namin ni Arvin mag-ukay-ukay together. Ganito na talaga yung tradisyon naming dalawa. After namin mag-op shop, nag-check-in na kami sa hotel. Nakakapagod na kasi. Mag-overnight kasi kami dito sa Young para mas relaxed yung trip namin. Before dinner time, we drove to Lambing Flat Garden para makapagpahangin and just chill. Magmuni-muni lang kami. Alam nyo na, slow weekend vibes. Ganito talaga yung gustong-gusto namin ni Arvin na weekend. Yung hindi rushed. Sobrang nakakapagod na kasi ang working days. So moments like this, ang sarap sa puso. Ang ganda dito guys. Sobrang peaceful. Parang solo pa namin yung lugar. Wala kasing masyadong tao that day. Kaya perfect to just sit down and breathe. So I think dito na namin i-end yung vlog for now. Magdi-dinner pa kasi kami after this. Salamat guys for watching. If you enjoyed this little getaway with us, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, ha? See you on our next vlog. Bye! Ay, by the way guys, napunta pala kami sa Filipino-owned restaurant dito sa Yonge. Sobrang sarap ng food doon, promise. Abangan nyo yan!